Legendary.
Ty called me on the jail phone. He told me, tell them niggas, remember this lack of mercy when my dog get home.
Kaina.
I said, Ty, we was never on these niggas' sides. It's the chasers.
The conglomerate.
Oh.
Part 2.
1,000 jeans with 100 more stacks in them. Every nigga on this jet with me, I done with the war for him, I used to trap with him. Real shit. I got real Hollywood bitches fucking with a trap nigga. And we ain't fucking with you rap niggas. Heard they talking on Twitter, we just at niggas. Back where the sun never shine. They let me Millie back home just in time. Look at they face and that I got the paper and they don't remember when I had to grind. She fell in love with the Coco. She got on Chanel and Manolo. And we all Dubai at the boat show. Rolling dice on the yacht screaming YOLO. Cause my situation like Loso. And my situation the Osho. And I give her head like she Ocho Cinco. Dragging my mean like a loco. You mad at me but she chose though. How you get mad by my old hoe? 2015 I do rose go. Cause I'm in the field just like Rose, but selling them rose though.
What you done it with?
Baking soda, I got baking soda.
Who you running with?
It's the chasers and we're taking over.
How you spin that shit?
Whip it through the glass, nigga. Whoop, bar, 100 bars and put them on my tag, nigga. Oh!
I'm in love with the Coco. I'm in love with the Coco. I got it for the Lolo. I'm in love with the Coco. Riding through the city with a check on me. Riding through the hood with a tech on me. 28 make a double. I ain't never trying to cut her, so explain why these motherfuckers slapped on me. 8 ball till I reach me a kilo. Made enough, then I went to see Rico. Paid him full if he acting like Rico. I'ma tie him up, tape his ass like Nico. 100 real clip in the motherfucking tech. Catch a hot 9-7 if his ass wanna flex. High school got up on a nigga with the wobble. 12 came, put my pistol in a fucking dishwasher. One hit wonder, yeah that's a fact. Hit his ass to the police, wonder where I'm at. Made so much money off this goddamn song. Still get in your ass like a goddamn thong. Cocoa Puffs, yeah that's for the kids. Stop trying to act like you don't know what it is. Baking soda ain't cut me no check. If they don't, I'ma show them motherfuckers what an Arm & Hammer is. Everybody know I'm in love with the coke. My ex-bitch took a young nigga for a joke. If a nigga got a problem, then he gon' get smoked. I'ma squeeze and I'm out like a part 2 coke. Baking soda, I got baking soda. Baking soda, I got baking soda. Whip it through the glass, nigga. I'm blowing money fast, nigga. I'm in love with the Coco. I'm in love with the Coco. I got it for the Lolo.
Turn up.
I'm in love with the Coco.
I say I run my town like Puffy, bitch. Units in the Duffy like, why the fuck he never got indicted? I guess I'm lucky, bitch. I ain't playing by the 9. I will shoot this bitch up like I'm Shine. Drop the 4, quarterback, Tony Romo. Duct tape, triple black, that's that old show. What if I told you bicycle with a logo? I got him in the airbag of the Volvo. Snow a God in the kitchen, they call that boy Zeus. And if that shit weighing up, then that's that Bruce. And if them